Okay, we are at our stop, Tower Gate. Where are we?
Gateway.
Tower. Where this train terminates. Please remember to bring all of your belongings. That's what the lady said.
That includes me. I'm your belonging.
I belong.
Everybody get your roommate, your travel buddy.
Where did mine go?
I'm here.
He's on the ready. He's on the ready.
Waking up now.
His eyes are open.
By the third video.
Here we go.
This is Tower Gateway.
Well,
We are walking.
Can we have everybody?
all together now.
All right, we'll catch back in when we get in.